This is Kent with Cleaver Farm and Home. Just like to give you a few updates on what's going on in the feed department. We've went out and did some contract pricing on some Purina Tubs, some Purina Minerals, some Purina Cubes, and a new product, Sweet 11. It's 11% protein feed. We feel we've got some very good pricing on that. Come check us out on it. We have worked with some new relationships with some feed mills, and we're able to offer bulk feed delivered on semis. What we'll do is we go out and take a hay sample. We'll test your hay, we'll send it off, we'll get analysis back, and then we send that to the nutritionist, and the nutritionist will help formulate rations to help the needs that you need on your farm. We are working with commodity brokers to broker new products and get them delivered to you on semis. The only thing we can't do now is we can't do bulk feed at Cleavers right now, and we can't do small tonnage. Everything's got to be 12 ton or larger on delivering bulk feed. We'd sure like to work with you on all those products. Some other things we're doing, we're getting ready to change in the animal husbandry section. We're going to move the dog feed inside. We're going to move the animal health all to one aisle. We're making our changes, hoping it's a better shopping experience for you. We'd like to welcome you into the store again once we get that remodeling done on the animal husbandry side. We sure appreciate your business, and thank you.